Alright, so we're going to install this washer and dryer hookup, and this one's nice because you can see right there you can mount it with that stud bracket, one on each side of the stud. They can be reversed. You can mount them side by side. They give you lots of different options on mounting these. You can separate them if you need to. Got mine for PEX hookup, so you can crimp them on. First step is to get out of the box, figure out your configuration. So the configuration I wanted my drain on the far left, and then my supply, water supply here in the middle. And got this nice and mounted. It's got this sturdy metal bracket that you can mount on both sides. I got it leveled up. I know people are going to be worried about this being so close. This is a GFCI outlet. There is no distance that this is required to be away from water, and the water's over here, but it will definitely be fine. A lot of these appliances, like on stoves and stuff like that, you have to have like your gas and your electric pretty close together to fit in this little zone that they allow you to get that hooked up. So all that's fine. This is my drain. The drain hose will come quite a ways down in here, so water shouldn't be splashing out. And if it does, the GFCI circuit can do its job. So got a sanitary tee here, so the drain will go down and the vent will go up. So this is a 16-inch 2x4 wall, and so if you mount this all the way to one side, you'll be able to get you a full 2-inch vent in there, and then, or a 2-inch trap, and then you'll be able to go down bottom with your drain and up the top with your vent. So we're going to go ahead and drill these holes. Alright, so the next step to installing your washing machine hookups is get yourself a 2-inch piece of pipe that comes down, get your trap on there. There's the drain. So I got this piece cut. This is going to go in there like that, and then this piece is going to go on here. This will get glued onto that piece, and then this will get glued to here, and then I can pop that up as my final connection to get everything in line. It'll make sense here in a second. Got that all marked, so I'm going to go ahead and mark all this. So I know where it all goes. So now that I got that all dry fitted, I'm going to glue this together here. So I think that's This is going to go right together, so we're going to head and glue that in right there. Like so. So this will be the next piece I glue on right here, but I'm going to dry fit it one more time. So no. So I just got a line. Now that I got this all dry fit, it's inside the 2x6s here and on the outside. So now I'm going to take this off and glue this piece on here. And here. And here. Lastly, this and this will slide in simultaneously. that's it. So now I just got to put my vent up through into the attic for later connection, and we're done. Alright, so this installation is all done except for my water lines, which I'll bring in later, and they're just PEX connections, so I'll bring a hot and a cold PEX connection to there, crimp them on, and we'll be ready to go. I just stuffed some insulation in these holes to keep any gases from the septic system coming up. Alright, the last step to getting this hooked up is getting our PEX run here. As you can see, I got the hot water line ran, and I'm working on getting the cold lines ran right now. So there's my manifold, and then the next space is going to be for that washer. And then I kind of know how far I got to go, so I'm going to stick the end down through the hole, and then I'm just roll this. Alright, so you can see it comes down through the floor there. Keep all my hots, I try to keep those all in one area, and then all my colds in another. I mean, you can see I do have one hot up there, but I will insulate it where it gets real close, even though I don't think it'll make much difference. But I got the route planned out. We're going to come down through here, cut over, and then pop up for the washer machine right there. So it's literally just taking it through. I mean, it's not, there's not a whole lot to it. And then what I use are these little clips with ring shank nails on them, and they just snap on there, and then you can nail them right into your joist. Work really nice. So we'll go ahead and get this in, then we'll go up and hook the washing machine hookups up. Alright, so you can see I got it fed up and through and down, and I got it poked up in. It's one thing that is awesome about PEX is it does not take long to get it running. So once I get it in and poke through the ceiling, I'll go up, hook that all up, and then I will work my way back, securing it to the manifold. That's the way I found works really nice. Just get it all kind of roughed in there, get it hooked up or secured where you want it, and then work your way back to the manifold. Alright, we're just going to crimp these on there. Just going to place a crimp ring on there. Put them both up there. I'll do one first. Alright, so that's it for installing this washer and dryer box. Went pretty easy. It's not too difficult, and now all I have to do is just wait till I get the drywall done. I can hook my washer and dryer up. But just one more note: if you're installing one of these and they don't have the little hammer resters on them, you probably should put some in the wall. And what I've done in the past is I've made them out of 3/4 inch PEX. So I'll just come up and take 3/4 inch PEX up, foot to 18 inches, and then tee off of it and come into here. That works as well, but I like to buy these ones with them on there already, and from my experience they work pretty good. So as I said during the video, I realized that the framer didn't make this little section here a 2x6 wall, so all I did was fur this out to make it a 2x6 wall. And I do that on all the walls where my washer and dryer sit, mainly for the dryer vent. So I have a nice thick wall to run my dryer vent up, and when I install that, I'll take you through that. But it also helps when you're hooking this trap up and stuff too. It just gives you a little bit more room, it's good practice to make those walls 2x6. I did that downstairs in the master. Unfortunately, I just forgot up here when I was doing it, and I realized when I was hooking it up that I didn't frame this as a 2x6 wall like I had planned. So I got a couple more videos coming out this week, and I think the next one, today I'm going to be working on getting my vent popped through the roof and sealed off. So my next video will most likely be how to connect all your vents in your attic and how to flash them on a steel roof. So thanks for watching, and we will catch you on the next video.